So this is page 2. Now we have to know what's going on here. See that? Let's just look at it very simply. Happy lines turn any sad number into a positive. If you have a positive number in there, it's still happy. So we're going to figure out what 5 minus 8 is. Then we're going to add the 2, and you've got to multiply by 4, all that. Okay, so we have -3 here, right? There it comes down. Here's the -3. But it has the lines, so even I made a mistake. So those are the happy lines. They come down, take a -3 and make it positive. Now we add the 2, because even though it's multiplying, we have to do the parentheses first. So now I've got positive 5 here. There's the 5. 5 times 4, that gives me 20. Remember, we're going from the 4 times all of this, which gave me 20. And then that 3 up there, that -3, and then we get 17. Sorry about that mistake there. That's not good. Okay, let's go to part 3.2. Again, we're in semester A. And we're still thinking about PEMDAS. That's an actual problem like that, but let's make it simpler, please. Let's make it much simpler. What they're trying to do here is they're teaching you to see a letter and then put in a number. So for my example, I've got B, P, and Y. So there's the B, there's the P, and there's the Y. So the Y is 2, P is 8, and B becomes a 3. So you put in the 3, you get 18, negative, right? Put in the 8, we get 11. 11 times -2 is -22. And here it's 2 squared. 2 times 2 makes 4. And 5 times 4 makes 20. Oh my, what are we doing here? Well, I do this in my head, so I don't want to do that. When you're going in the same direction, down, start at 0, you go down 18. Then you keep on going down another 22. How far have we gone? We went 40. And because we're under the ground, it's got to be a -40. So that's why we see this. Now, see, we're beginning with whole numbers. The reason I say that is because they do something silly with fractions. And again, you can pause this and make notes so it looks exactly like this. You might have to go back and rewrite. Okay. Now, let's try page 3.5. I didn't know all these. Look at what's happening. There's the happy lines again, right? Good old happy lines and happy lines. So essentially, the S is 2, so we drop it in here, and the T is 3, so we drop that in there. We get 12, because 4 times 3 makes 12. We get 3 here. -2 times 3 gives me -6. Remember, the order is we put the numbers into the letters. That's where we did this. That's a letter, and that's a letter. We've completed the happy lines. That was here, and we got a 3. Then we do the multiplying. There we go. And then you add the 2 together. Dun dun. Now I want you to copy this page for your notes. You will use this sheet with notes for your practice questions in the unit 1. Oh my, look at this. There's all these letters. What does it mean? Oh no. Well, let's give a number for each of these letters. So when I see A, I'm going to take this -3 and put it here and down below. Good. Okay. Then we got a 4. There's only one 4, so that goes there. And then with C, I have a -5 here and -5 there. So here's the -5 and the -5. Those are C's. When you multiply these out, this is what we're getting. Now, you add those two together, you get 27 negative. This is a -15. Now, both negatives, we can cancel them, right? And then we can get rid of these 3's. And that's why you get 9/5. Okay, that's pretty good. So if you have any questions, text to me. Here's the unit number. Thank you.